सबको साथ में जोड़ करके हम कैसे कामों को गति प्रदान कर सकते हैं। और चौथा, पीपल्स पार्टिसिपेशन।
In 2015, PM Narendra Modi launched the Atal Mission for Rejuvenation and Urban Transformation, AMRUT, to address urban challenges of water supply, sewage and drainage, promoting sustainable water management and conservation. The same year, he launched the Pradhan Mantri Krishi Sinchai Yojana, PMKSY, to ensure Har Khet Ko Pani, adequate irrigation and efficient water use through micro-irrigation, rainwater harvesting, farm ponds and check dams. Initiatives like more crop per drop and watershed development improved irrigation in drought-prone areas and enhanced farmers' yields. Recognizing India's broader water challenge, Modi established the Ministry of Jal Shakti in 2019 to consolidate all water-related efforts under a single vision. That same year, the Jal Shakti Abhiyan was launched to promote rainwater harvesting, recycling and rejuvenation of water bodies, inspiring a nationwide Jan Andolan for water responsibility from villages to metros. It assured a new culture of responsibility around water. Perhaps the most ambitious of all has been the Jal Jeevan Mission, Har Ghar Nal, Har Ghar Jal, launched in 2019, that has enabled millions of families with access to clean drinking water, empowering every rural household. To rural women who once walked kilometers, it's life-changing. A struggle turned into a right as the campaign reflected itself on the ground. Impressive results from the start of the mission. As against only 3.23 crore, 16.7%, now over 81.36% of households are getting easy access to tap water. Over 125.1 million new tap water connections given in just 70 months, marking an increase of over 380% since launch of the mission in 2019.
माननीय प्रधानमंत्री श्री नरेंद्र मोदी साहब के नल से जल की जो योजना बनी, उसके अंदर 15 करोड़ घरों में नल से जल दिया गया। इस शुद्ध पानी की वजह से जो लोग पहले बीमार पड़ते थे तो उनका जो मेडिकल में उनको जो खर्च करते थे, WHO का रिपोर्ट कहता है कि वो 8.4 लाख करोड़ रुपया उसके अंदर इस शुद्ध पानी देने की वजह से बचा है। 15 करोड़ में पानी दे दिया गया है, 4 करोड़ घरों में और पानी देने का काम वो चल रहा है। पूरी दुनिया में ये सबसे बड़ी योजना सबसे पहली है।
The Prime Minister's vision is impeccably clear. An initiative can only succeed if it becomes a Jan Andolan. This is evidently reflected in his calls, like the one in the celebrations of Azadi Ka Amrit Mahotsav, when he called upon every district to create 75 water ponds, blending traditional reservoirs with new structures. This vision further expanded into Amrit Sarovar initiative in 2022, where 75 water bodies per district were rejuvenated to ensure sustainable water sources and groundwater recharge.
उन्होंने कहा कि आज़ादी का अमृत महोत्सव केवल ऐसा नहीं है कि हम अपने अपने कार्यालय में मना लें, इसमें जन जन को जोड़ना होगा। उन्होंने कहा कि गांव में अमृत सरोवर बनाइए, वहीं पे झंडोत्तोलन हो, तो गांव के लोगों को याद रहे कि ये अमृत सरोवर आज़ादी के 75वें वर्ष में बना था। उनके अभियान ऐसे रहे कि आम जनता को उससे जोड़ा जाए, हर व्यक्ति को लगे कि हाँ, जो देश का अमृत महोत्सव है या विकसित भारत की परिकल्पना है, उसमें मैं भी एक हिस्सा हूँ।
His call was clear. Water conservation isn't a seasonal effort, but as a national duty. Further initiatives like Catch the Rain campaign, launched on World Water Day 2021, encouraged people across the nation to harvest every drop of rain, where it falls, when it falls, receiving participation of over 1 crore people in the launch itself. Every Sarpanch was sent a personal letter signed by the Prime Minister, encouraging them deeply to be a part of this mission. The impact was significant. The campaign successfully mobilized citizens. turning rainwater into a reliable source of security. The Jal Sanchay Jan Bhagidari initiative was launched in 2024 to steadfast innovation and participation in water conservation. The scheme bolstered the construction of nearly 24,800 rainwater harvesting structure, step wells, check dams, rooftop systems, and aquifer rechargers.
Catch the Rain campaign शुरू करेंगे 22nd March को. That was a great vision of the Prime Minister. Catch the Rain campaign is probably one of the largest campaign launch on water conservation in the world. 1 करोड़ से ज़्यादा लोग उस पार्टिसिपेशन में लॉन्च में पार्टिसिपेट किया था. इसका इफेक्ट ये था कि 47 लाख स्ट्रक्चर्स अर्बन और रूरल एरिया में मिलके लोगों ने बनाया. ऑलमोस्ट 36 करोड़ टी प्लांटेशन हुआ.
The Prime Minister's vision also embraced river interlinking and basin level management. The Ken-Betwa Link project, the first under the National Perspective Plan, was launched to balance surplus and deficit basins through pipeline-based transfer, reducing displacement. Groundwater too received unprecedented attention.
मोदी जी ने मुझे 30 लिंक दिए थे. दमनगंगा, पिंजाल, पार तापी, नर्मदा, केन बेतवा. ये केन बेतवा सबसे आगे था. बोले उमाबेन इसकी तैयारी शुरू करो. प्रधानमंत्री जी के मन में बहुत पहले इच्छा थी. 2017 में ही इच्छा थी केन बेतवा की. और हमें उन्होंने कहा कि जितने ड्राउट पूर्ण एरिया है इन पर फोकस कर जाओ कि पीने का भी पानी मिले, खेतों को भी पानी मिले. तो इतना ज़्यादा ध्यान था उनका बुंदेलखंड पे कि उन्होंने कहा कि इसको नेशनल प्रोजेक्ट डिक्लेयर कर दो.
The Atal Bhujal Yojana promoted participatory groundwater management and water budgeting, while the groundwater management and regulation program focused on aquifer mapping and modern water monitoring systems. Prime Minister Modi conveyed a simple yet powerful message. Plants need water, not the entire crop. Just as we feed a child with a spoon, not by bathing him in milk, we must give water wisely. Atal Bhujal Yojana made micro-irrigation a key pillar, boosting efficiency, reducing waste, and conserving our most precious resource. Earlier, water management meant bigger dams and canals. But this marked a shift from engineering to empowerment. Communities became custodians of their own groundwater, ensuring sustainability.
पहले क्या होता था कि हम जब भी पानी की हम उपलब्धता की बात करते थे तो यही माना जाता था कि इंजीनियरिंग काम है, बड़े बड़े डैम से ही पानी की उपलब्धता सुनिश्चित की जा सकती है. अटल भूजल योजना के माध्यम से एक पैराडाइम शिफ्ट किया गया. एक तो हुआ कि पार्टिसिपेटरी इरिगेशन मैनेजमेंट. गांव या ग्राम पंचायत के स्तर पे लोग खुद जाने कि उनके पास कितनी बारिश हो रही है, कुएं का लेवल बढ़ रहा है, घट रहा है. उसके बेसिस पे वो क्या करेंगे, एक वाटर बस्टिंग का कंसेप्ट आया. हर ग्राम पंचायत का एक पानी का बजट बने.
Beyond policy, the Prime Minister also promoted awareness through Nadi Utsav, celebrating rivers as lifelines of civilization and symbols of our ecological and spiritual heritage. Cleanliness drives, cultural events, and public festivals ensured that conservation was not just technical, but emotional and cultural. Through all these initiatives and many more, one thing remains constant: the belief that water is not just a resource, but a shared duty.
पानी का उपयोग हमें प्रसाद की तरह करना चाहिए. पानी का मूल्य वो समझता है जो पानी के अभाव में जीता है. एक एक बूंद पानी जुटाने में कितनी मेहनत करनी पड़ती है. मैं देश के हर उस नागरिक से कहूंगा जो पानी की प्रचुरता में रहते हैं, मेरा उनसे आग्रह है कि आपको पानी बचाने के ज्यादा प्रयास करने चाहिए.
Narendra Modi's leadership redefined water conservation in India. He transformed it from a government program into a people's movement. Today, as millions of families turn on their taps, as rivers regain their flow, and as villages rise with renewed hope, one truth resonates. Water conservation is not just about survival. It is about securing the future of India. Modi views it as a personal and spiritual responsibility, something that connects each of us to the roots of our culture and our duty. This way of thinking also reflects the philosophy of Mahatma Gandhi, who believed that true change begins with the individual. He often mentions Gandhiji's house in Porbandar, where a unique idea of rainwater harvesting was flourishing centuries ago. In Mann Ki Baat of April 2016, he said, "I always say that those who visit Gandhiji's house in Porbandar must visit the 200-year-old underground tank, which stores rainwater, and even today the water in it remains clean. This is not just history, it is an inspiration." Taking this thought forward, he is turning water conservation into a mass movement.